May tropa din sa na siguro dito.
It's a chin cake. Maybe we are hungry. No one talk.
Too much.
This is hungry too much.
You're too much late.
Kuya Miguel, he is so hungry. Muma. I mean also our ladies are lady delicious. Yeah, too much hungry. Because she is only the one in chicken's group. This is our prince. Says. This is our princess, not prince. And I am the Indian chicken. What? That it's not that. I am the Indian chicken. I will go home after one day, so I will be missing my friend too much.
Sound background.
Kasi tay ka ngay doon eh, ma hay ka ni in Thailand, dinar kan ay hawani. That's a minute, so Pahania 7 something, and here is Aaron. Okay, we are celebrating my birthday. Yeah, this is Arman. Maybe tonight will be the last night for all of us.
Pinatay mo. Buti na.
No. I mean like together, like
Okay.
eating.
Okay.
Too much hungry this one.
Other words.
Zanin di kan kanin hukop to mami to ni tu.
Hindi na ate amin. Hindi ng tubig.
Namaste.
Cameraman is John. Okay.